So, oh, don't fall down the stairs, right? I need to apologize to all of you for the time between videos. I've been fighting with the insurance company over the damage done to the Corvette and to my bike, and they seem to not care. They continue to state that I have to use my auto insurance policy for something that happened in the garage in my house where the fire happened. Yeah. So, they're not doing anything to fix the smell that's permeated the leather, or the vinyl, should I say, the carpet, the dashboard, any pieces of plastic within here. They are not covering it, they are not fixing it, they are not giving me anything in return to fix it. So in order to get rid of it, I have to, out of my own pocket, pay for all of those items. I've picked up a cleaner for the plastic. The seats, I have a quote to have the seats fixed or cleaned properly. The carpet will need to be replaced. A lot of the vinyl other items will need to be replaced. The door panels, of course, will need to be replaced. The carpet, the list goes on this thing that I'm going to have to deal with in order to get that smell out of the car. And so I need your help. I've set up a GoFundMe account, and I'll add the link right down here so that you can go to it. If you can donate $5, if you can donate $10, great. I really appreciate it. If you can donate more, hey, thank you very much. It's all going to go to the items that the interior of this Corvette needs. So, like I said, I set up a GoFundMe account, and it's also going to go towards getting the bike cleaned up and not smelling like smoke again. I'm going to have to get it professionally cleaned to get inside all the nooks and crannies that this thing has, because I just don't have the patience to do that. Everything inside the garage also, the insurance company is paying for everything else to be wiped down and cleaned and deodorized, but not my Corvette or the motorcycle. So, like I said, I've set up a GoFundMe account. The link will be right down there. If you could go to it and donate what you can to help me get what I need to move forward on the red Corvette and to clean up the bike, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.